Hello and welcome in Power BI training session. Welcome in lecture 1. Let's start with data visualization and let's learn what is Power BI. So data visualization is a graphical representation of data. What are the benefits of data visualization? Why even we want to visualize the data? So data visualization allows looking at the same data from different perspectives. We can interpret the data very easily if data is very huge, very massive. It also offers exceptions in the data. We can see all the outliers we can find out very easily. It also allows to see trends and patterns in the data. Human eyes can read visuals better than the data. If we look at 30,000, 50,000 rows, it is difficult to interpret such a huge, massive amount of data. But when we see graphical representation of the same data, it becomes easier for us to see what is good, what is bad. Now, what are the most commonly used data visualization tools in the market? Then Power BI is right now a leading data visualization tool, whereas we have some other data visualization tools like Tableau. Another tool is Excel, which is very commonly the oldest data visualization and business intelligence tool in the market. Other than this, we also have many other data visualization and business intelligence tools. In this lecture, we are going to focus on Power BI. What is Power BI? So, Power BI is a very helpful, very useful business intelligence and data visualization tool. We can collect the data, we can import data in the tool, and we can visualize it. Data can come from one data source or data can come from multiple data sources. We can connect with different data sources and we can visualize the data. Now, if we talk about Power BI, then Power BI is divided into different components, different tools, and we are going to discuss one by one. Before that, let's talk what is the use of Power BI. Data can be available in Excel format. Data can be available in any database. Data can come from directly any web service, SharePoint, OneDrive. So data may be available at various sources. We want to connect with maybe one single data source, or maybe we want to connect with multiple data sources. Now, after connecting with those data sources, we can visualize the data. Represent this data in graphical format. We can easily see what is good for the business, what is not in the favor, where are areas of improvement. So all those strategies can be made based on historical data. So that's the use of Power BI. Now, when we create report in Power BI desktop, now this report can be shared either in mobile format or even web version. So those reports which we are going to create in our Power BI desktop, they can be consumed. If suppose any senior management, somebody is traveling and they want to quickly check out reports and dashboards, then they can use mobile version of Power BI and that can be quickly accessed from anywhere. Similarly, we can also access web version reports and dashboards. We're going to learn all this in Power BI training. Next, what is Power BI desktop? So we are talking about Power BI now. Power BI has many components in it. What is Power BI desktop? So Power BI desktop is a free tool, free application which can be downloaded either from Microsoft Store or we can also download it from Microsoft website. Let me show you both. So one way to download Power BI desktop is we can search it on Google, download Power BI, and then we can download it directly from Microsoft website. This is one way. Remember, Power BI is only supported by Windows. Mac is not supported by Power BI. So if you have a Mac desktop or Mac PC, you will have to arrange a Windows laptop. There is no other workaround. So you will have to arrange a Windows. Only Windows are supported by Power BI. Now, this is one way to download Power BI. Second way to download Power BI is Microsoft Store. You will find this type of icon, Microsoft Store. You can open this. All the apps of Microsoft can be downloaded from Microsoft Store. Now, In the search window, we need to search Power BI Desktop, and then we will see Power BI Desktop. We need to search exactly same. You might find similar tools also, but you need to download Power BI Desktop. Now, what is the difference when we download tool from Microsoft website or we download it from Microsoft Store? When Microsoft launched this amazing tool, Power BI, they promise that every month they come up with new updates, they will improve their product and they will add new features. And Power BI is still adding monthly updates, and we are going to see all those updates very soon. I'll show you practically where you can find all those new features and updates. But those new features and updates are automatically going to be updated in your Power BI if you will download it from Microsoft Store. If you will download it from Microsoft website, then after a few months, if you want to use those latest features, then you will have to uninstall it and install it again, download it again and install Power BI again. So that's the difference. So I recommend you should download Power BI from Microsoft Store. But in case you will not find Microsoft Store in your system, in your laptop, then the alternative way is you can download it directly from Microsoft website. So that's about installation of Power BI.